In this video, we're going to explain how you can create and save a search on the BDJ Real Estate website. The first thing you want to do is you want to log in, and up here we have the login button. Now if you see a name to the left over here, that means you've already logged in and you can skip this step. So since there's no name there, we're going to log in. It opens up the registration window where you can put in your name and email. Make it easy. You can continue with your Facebook credential or your Google credential. Since we're going to just use a regular name and email here, we're going to put in Andrew at EXP Realty, and our cell phone number will be our password. So put that in, and now we're going to register. Takes us back to the main window, and you can see there's our name now, so we're registered, and this is if we've clicked on any favorites, we've saved those properties on our list because we like them. Now if we want to start a search, we'll go to down here in search, we'll go to more options, and now what we see is all the homes for sale in the Georgia MLS, which is over 20,000 homes. So what we want to do now is we want to filter that list. So let's put in the city of Marietta so we can start typing. And there's the city of Marietta. So I'm going to click on the city of Marietta, and it's going to populate up here. For a minimum price, let's go with 200,000, and our maximum price 400,000. Minimum bedrooms we want 3. And minimum bathrooms, we want 2. Now down here, it's going to look for land, multifamily, and condos and single family. So we're going to uncheck land, uncheck multifamily, uncheck condos, and just go with single family. Style, here's a list of style, the type of home it is. For now, we're going to leave that blank because it'll really cut down the search results. Minimum square feet, let's look for something 2,000. Let's go, we'll just go 0.2, but if you want, you can also select the higher numbers. Like if you want a home on a 1 acre property, you would select minimum acres of 1. So just go to 0.2 for now. Year built, right now the max year built is the current year. And the minimum year, if we don't want to see anything too old, let's put in the year, for example, 2000. So now we're only going to look at homes that are about 20 years old at the most. The walkable score, it shows you how close you are to things like grocery stores, banks, shopping centers. The higher the score, the closer you are. We'll leave that unchecked for now. Just listed, this is to get to see what just came out on the market in the last few days. And there's other options here for if you want to just see what open houses are coming up. You can check that, or if you want something, if you want to look at properties that only have pools, check that. Now keep in mind, if you check pool, the properties that don't have pools are not going to show up on your search results. So we're going to uncheck that for now. Financial options, you can look for price reductions. You can look for foreclosures and other options as shown. Structural options, fireplace and garages, and the number of stories, basement. If you need to have a basement, you would check that. Keep in mind, if the home doesn't have a basement, it's not going to show up on the list. So let's say we want to have at least a 2-car garage. And then down here, there's a lot of other options. Quite a few. I'm not going to go into those right now. So we're just going to apply our filters for what we have. And you can see from the descriptions here, we have new constructions. We have homes with the view, for example, this one up here. And it shows you on the map where they're at. If you click on the little flag, it pops up a little picture. You can also access by just clicking here to see the home. And once you have all this set up, you can just go here to save your search. And you can give it a frequency. If you want to see it instantly, get an instant email as soon as the listing comes out. If you want to get it daily, you can put it there. If you want to get it once a week, you select once a week, and then give it a name. You can call this Marietta. It's not foreclosures. We didn't select foreclosures, so we'll just call it Marietta, and we'll save that search. Okay, if you want to change the search later, you would go to your name up here at the top. It's going to show you the search we just did, and it shows you the criteria. And in here, you can go ahead and change your criteria. Also, if you want to delete your search and start over, you can just click on this red trash can and your search will be deleted. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, reach out by text, email, or phone. We'll be happy to walk you through the process.